Oh, do I have something special for you guys? Well, something for LadyNRedLexiBuilt also. I've been dealing with lower control arm shitting the bed out on me, and you can see right here, I actually wrote when I installed them 12/23/22, and these things are already shot. I bought them off of eBay, I believe, through Detroit Axle, and usually I go through them for low control arms. I've never had any real issues, but the rear bushings that go on the rear of the subframe, those ones were just weak. Like, they looked weak when I first got them, and I unboxed them. I was just like stunned because the ones that I was taking out were also shot, but they had a lot bigger, beefier bushing in the back. The guy that was giving me an alignment here at California Wheel and Tire told me that this rear bushing was shot, and he had to adjust the toe to make up the slack. When I started driving, it was fine. It was really nice, but within 2 days, I started having banging. I got that banging too, yo. So I decided to upgrade to these tubular lower control arms. These things are diesel, you guys. I'm pretty sure everything on here is replaceable because there's C-clips inside there, which I'm pretty sure you guys can see right there. And I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, there is C-clips right under there. So those can all be replaced, all three of these, as long as the tubular doesn't get banged up from the cross-country driving that LadyNRedLexiBuilt gets to do with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and install those today. I gotta take out the old ones, but I gotta loosen this, take that out of the way, take out the end-link bushings, because I'm gonna go ahead and replace those today also. I just took that out, and now I gotta go ahead and take that bolt out, which I believe is a 21. Yep, it's gonna be a 21. Alright, cool, that was simple enough. That's the bolt, and we're gonna go ahead and loosen this nut right here, and we're also gonna go ahead and loosen this one and take that one out. I'm gonna go get a realignment right after, but I gotta schedule the appointment. I like to have everything lined up right on that little mark, and I don't know if you guys can actually see it, but I made a marking so my steering wheel is always straight. Alright, this bolt is taken out. This bolt is almost taken out. I just gotta maneuver it, and this one I gotta loosen, and I should be able to pop the whole hub assembly out of the way, take that last bolt out and pull it out. Basically, I'm gonna pull this section out first, so I'm gonna pull it to the back of the car and then pull it. I specifically bought this at Harbor Freight for lower control arms. Now there's this spot right here that can actually help you pop it out. See, just like that. Now I can go ahead, move this out of the way, like that. And it has a double, letter R right there too. I didn't even notice. Okay. Just remove this back bolt right here. Bang over here next to the R, and that should pop out. And take out that, obviously. That was a never-ending story, you guys. This back one is super long. And you can see up here the threads have diminished. I don't know, I might have to hit up Dodge and see if I can get 2 new ones. Out with the stinky and in with the freshy. Shout out to Brent Sharp, Crappy Neon on Instagram. If you guys don't know him, go check him out on IG. And I believe he has Facebook also, so the best way to contact him is Instagram, in my opinion. Where I got the passenger side out, which is the most complicated because you have to take out the lower dog bone, but it's not that bad of a process. Stay tuned, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. And you guys, if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Went ahead and I installed the rear section. I realized that this piece came out. Now this side does too. He puts zip ties on it so they don't pop out. But you can see right in there, this goes in there and moves around. So I'm gonna go ahead and put lube on this one right here, just like I did this one right here. So I'm just gonna install them like that. I had to remove the lower control arm, that way I can go ahead and take these ones out too. I'm gonna go ahead and put some grease on there. And now we are lubed up. So we got the rear and we got the front done. Now it's gonna move here, and I believe I'm gonna need my okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and take this off. That's the spacer. The passenger side is now in, nice and stiff too. I really like that. I have to put in my upgraded sway bar end links, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that after. I might just go ahead and put the spindle back onto the ball joint and tighten it up. I still have to go ahead and torque this down to 65 foot-pounds. I got my stabilizer bushings in, the lower ones, and I still have to go ahead and put the lower dog bone in. The bolt to that bushing's tight. The bolt to that bushing's tight. Outer tie rod still has to go in. I just wanted to make sure I had everything else tight before I actually put the outer tie rod in. That way I could just put the wheel on and lower it. We have the lower dog bone in. Gotta hook up my grounds. Guys, grounds are essential. Alright, you need these. So don't be lacking in buying grounds. They're cheap. And then we got this one. Slides there. This goes there. And this goes there. Everything is tight, but this is not torqued yet. So I have to go ahead and torque that. Get my 1/2 inch. I already have my 24mm 1/2 inch torque wrench. This one is a Pittsburgh from Harbor Freight. Double check. Good to go. real quick, you guys, I gotta stop. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen my previous videos where I explained that now I have a new website, SKITTLEFABZ.com, where you can actually buy my fitted hats. I have 5 different flavors. If you want to go check those out, the link is in the description. Air fresheners, stud kits, Zach Lee cam gear covers. But just go check out the website, give a like to this video, and go shop now. Alright, here's the driver's side low control arm. I'm going to be replacing it with the other tubular. So, quick as this. Huh. So dope. I love what it looks like in there. And yo, I hope my alignment's still good. I'm pretty sure it is. I've done it a million times, obviously, with lower control arms. Always pop the outer tie rod out. Make sure that is out before you start doing anything. Yeah, so yo, like this video. If you guys are gonna buy some, let me know. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you already have some. But that's definitely an awesome addition. Sorry about the video if it's not ultra awesome. It's just I was working on 2 videos. I was also working on the oil cooler. Well, that's what I have right now, is the stock oil filter housing. And I do not have the cooler on there anymore. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, you're gonna see it soon. If not, then top right of the screen, go check it out. And until next time, guys, go shop SKITTLEFABZ.com. And yeah, I'll throw you guys a free sticker. All right, be easy, yo. Peace. Here's the driver's side. So you get the driver's side, rear push and blow.